if you do not fire your poor performers, which is hard, by the way. I had to get on a call this morning and let somebody go. Very, very, very difficult. It never is not difficult. I've done it hundreds of times. If you refuse to do it for the betterment of the company, and you surround your A players with C players, you're going to watch your A players walk away. So you have two choices. You can fire your C players, or you can watch your A players walk away. Which one do you want to do? But but the competence of your organization falls or rises to the level that you tolerate. So if you tolerate C players and you let people hide who are low performers, and you let people make the same mistakes over and over again, and you let people be lazy, and you let all of it slide, the culture of your entire company will fall to that. Period. There's no way around it. If you tolerate it, your entire company will become it, because your A players are going to be gone, and you're going to foster an environment where low performers can hide. So if you do not let your low performers go, you're going to watch your A players walk away, and your entire organization is going to become a C-level organization.
I think we got a clip for your team. I think that was that was pretty damn good, man. It's fucking speak the truth. That is, it's very important.
So I would say my piece of advice for anyone listening is, if you're a business owner and you have an employee who just can't seem to get it, and you always have, every time they make a mistake, you're like, damn, maybe with a little bit more training, they would do better. Maybe this is on me. Maybe I'm not setting them up for success, but then they make another mistake. Then something else happens. Fire that person now. Like, get off of this podcast, shut your phone, and set up the termination of this person right away, as soon as possible. Because 2 or 3 days later, you're going to wish you had done it 6 months ago.
Yeah.
Offer them a great severance, help them in the next phase of life. I'm not telling you to be heartless, but if you put up with incompetence, people don't change, man. Like, they do. They very, very rarely do. 1 in 7 or 8 employees with the right training, the right coaching, and the right performance improvement plan will turn from a B player to an A player, or a C player to a B player. But the other 7 out of 8 times, they're not going to. So me as a business owner, how can I afford to take those odds when on average people do not change? So for me, as a business owner, people are going to show me who they are. My job is to believe them, not to change them. And as a business owner and as an entrepreneur who has confidence, who has optimism, we always think we can change people. Dave Ramsey has this great quote where he's talking to somebody on the phone, and she's like, Dave, I'm just having problems with my husband. He spends all of our money. He sits on the couch drinking beer every Sunday, all Sunday. He's got terrible spending habits. We can't build wealth. He doesn't work hard. He has no side hustles. He has no ambition. And Dave says, was he like that before he got married? Well, yeah. Did he watch football before he got married? Yeah. Did he drink beer before he got married? Yeah. Did he spend on stupid things before he got married? Yeah. Well, you married a pit bull and you want a golden doodle. People don't change. People don't change. Yeah. The same exact thing applies to employees. If you try to change them, you will end up frustrated, stressed, and broke. And it's the unfortunate truth.